hope you guys are ready for another cool video. So I'm gonna do some work on the YJ behind me. But before I roll into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help out a ton. If you have any questions, leave a question or a comment. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We get a lot of great stuff coming out, and you don't want to miss anything. So right now, I'm getting ready to install these A-pillar seals made for half doors. They bought them from Crown. Crown makes them, make good quality ones. So I'm going to put these on the truck, the Jeep, and show you what's involved, and I'll show you the quality of these replacement Crown ones compared to the OE ones. So let's get rolling on this. Before I get started, this part should fit your 87 to 95 Wrangler, but it's a Chrysler and it's a YJ, so make sure that the top of your frame that goes into this piece is the same, and that it looks like the same one that's on the video. And again, these are for half door A-pillar seals. So I still have like the OE A-pillar seals on my windshield. So what happens with these is, what tends to happen is, I mean, these things are 30 years old at this point, and getting in and out of the Jeep so many years, people tend to mess up and pull on these once in a while. And when you pull on them, it'll cause like a crack right here. You can see this one's cracked. And, you know, my Wrangler's an 89, and, you know, let's face it, the thing's getting old. It has a little bit of age on it. So here is the OE one, and here's the Crown one right next to it. So it's identical to it. It's pretty much like an exact replica of the original. I haven't test fitted them at all, so in the video, let's put them on, and we'll see how well they fit compared to the original part. So I'm going to use my drill to take these Phillips screws out. They're really small screws, so they come out pretty easy. And then the half door seal should come off, the A-pillar seal. This windshield frame's in pretty good condition, but if there's anything in here, you might want to wipe it down with Prep Solve. So take your replacement crown seal and line up the holes. Should snap right into place. Just like that. And this is adjustable a little bit. These holes are elongated a little bit, so you can slide it up and down on the frame if you need to position it with the top. Let's start your Phillips screws by hand. Make sure that everything's nice and tight. Oh, I chopped the screw. Let's get one more down here. It'd be the same procedure on the other side. So here is the old one. And here's the new one, so you can compare the two. It's a nice replica. It fit well, and it fits tight just like the OE one did. So what do you think, Finny? They look pretty good? How you like those seals? Maine Coon Cat approved? So here's the other side of the seal installed. So I just wanted to show you the fit and finish. It fits well, so it's nice and tight. So I hope you guys liked the video. I just kind of wanted to show you how easy they were to replace and the fit and finish of them compared to the OE ones that were on my truck, on my Jeep. Hope you liked the video, and what I'll do is I'll put these parts in my Amazon store. So if you look in the description, there'll be a link in the description. If you click on it, shoot over to our Amazon store and check out the Jeep section. You should be able to find them in there.